Welcome back to Wheel World. Today, we introducing the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, a true icon of American muscle. This car wasn't just about power, it was about presence. From the moment you see it, the aggressive stance, bulging hood with functional cowl induction, and bold SS badging scream performance. Visually, the 1970 model year brought a major refresh. You got a more aggressive front-end design, quad headlights, and a massive domed cowl induction hood. That hood wasn't just for looks, it was functional. At wide open throttle, a vacuum-operated flap opened up to feed more cold air into the carburetor. That means more air, more power, and more growl. Under the hood, you could get a few different V8s, but the star of the show was the LS6454 cubic inch big block, pushing out a jaw-dropping 450 horsepower. For 1970, that was borderline insane, and it still holds up today. Paired with a Muncie 4-speed manual or a turbo 400 automatic, this beast could run the quarter mile in the low 13s straight from the factory. Inside, the Chevelle SS was straightforward. Bucket seats, a horseshoe shifter if you went auto, and just enough creature comforts to keep you focused on the road, not distracted by gadgets. It was raw, mechanical, and built for the thrill of driving. Today, the 1970 Chevelle SS, especially the LS6, is one of the most collectible muscle cars ever made. Original LS6 cars with matching numbers and factory documentation can sell for well into the six figures. It's not just a car, it's a piece of American history. A reminder of when car companies were fighting over who could make the fastest, loudest, wildest machine for the street. The suspension wasn't fancy, but it was solid. Rear coil springs, a 12-bolt rear axle, and optional F41 performance suspension kept it planted just enough while roasting the rear tires. And speaking of sound, the rumble from the dual exhaust is pure muscle car magic. It's loud, raw, and unapologetically powerful. The 1970 Chevelle SS isn't just something you drive, it's something you experience. Whether you're a collector, a gearhead, or someone who just appreciates vintage American engineering, this car deserves a place on your radar. Today, the 70 Chevelle SS is a collector's dream. It represents the peak of the muscle car era before insurance rates and emissions regulations started choking the fun. Prices have skyrocketed, especially for real-deal LS6 cars, and it's easy to see why. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a true muscle car legend, hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and drop a comment.